Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2016 Lincoln MKC. This vehicle still has fewer than 45,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Take a closer look at this elegant Lincoln MKC, the compact premium SUV that blends luxury and versatility with sleek style. Its quiet cabin features an array of technology to keep you connected, comfortable, and confident on all your adventures. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Serene blends seamlessly with sensational in this lush and powerful MKC. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.